Hey everyone, Laser Dave here again with Trotec Laser. I want to take you on a deep dive into the creation of acrylic edge-lit signage, showing every step from sourcing the light base in acrylic to the laser processed lit up results. To create edge-lit acrylic signs, LED bases and channels are required. I use the incredibly bright light bases from Laser Sketch. Scan this QR code for more information. Not all acrylic is the same. Optically clear acrylic will produce the best results for edge-lit signage. Scan this QR code for the acrylic used in this video. For this first example, I will use this Wi-Fi sign graphic and laser process 6mm optically clear cast acrylic. Remove any protected plastic or paper from the top side of the acrylic, then place the acrylic into the laser system. Then focus onto the surface of the acrylic and close the laser lid. Open the Ruby Laser software and import and select the Wi-Fi sign design file with the black engraving and the red cut line, placing the file on the camera image or positioning it using the red dot pointer if no camera is available. Mirror the graphic in Ruby and then select the preset Troglass 6mm acrylic parameter and push the design file to the laser. Start the laser and engrave and cut the file. With an optically clear acrylic, mirroring the graphic will allow the image to show through the acrylic from the back side. This captures more light and produces a more polished looking sign. Once finished, wipe the acrylic surface with a microfiber cloth, peel the back side protective mask and turn it over to see the finished engraving. Place the engraving onto the LED light base and power it up. As you can see, the optically clear acrylic produces an outstanding reaction with any color the light base makes. The following example will be a much larger sign and will use a grayscale in the design to show shading in the image for a more 3D looking lighted sign. This example will use the same process as the Wi-Fi sign in Ruby. The difference is I will use a couple of laser hacks with this larger piece of acrylic to reduce the chance of flare-ups and reflection points from the cutting grid by placing wet paper towels under the acrylic and wiping dish soap onto the surface to protect the sign from residue. Scan each QR code to see the benefits of these laser hacks to reproduce my results. Once finished, remove from the laser, wipe and wash the surface with water to remove the dish soap, and remove the masking from the back side. Then place it into the light base and power it up for the final results. As you can see, the grayscale image has produced a contrast, drop shadow 3D effect that stands out nicely when lit up. In this last example, I will use two thin 3mm sheets of acrylic to produce a different kind of lighted effect using an acrylic mirror and a satin red acrylic. This will be a simple logo sign, but instead of engraving, this sign will be entirely laser cut. Leaving the protective mask on the acrylic mirror, place it into the laser with the mirror side up. Import and place the cut file into Ruby. Then select the 3mm acrylic cut parameter and push the file to the laser. Start the job and cut the acrylic mirror. Once finished, remove it from the laser. Then place the red satin acrylic into the laser, go back into Ruby and select the file. Select Edit, select the logo and delete it. Then update the job and send the job to the laser to cut the outline into the satin red acrylic. This will produce a laser cut, acrylic mirrored and red satin acrylic backing. To assemble, place each sheet into the Laser Sketch light base using the provided set screws to hold the sheets together. Then turn it around to see the mirror with the red backing. Turn on the LED light and the light will transmit through the edge of the mirror and through the satin red backplate to produce a clean, polished looking edge-lit laser cut sign. LED edge-lit acrylic signs are a highly profitable application and can easily be accomplished with your Trotec laser system. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see what I laser next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.